Water heater installation, electric. So you got 2 feet, you got a red wire, black wire. But on your 2 wire, you got a white wire and a black wire, like regular home wire for hot, black, neutral's white. But you're using it for 2 feeds now, so the white's hot also. But it don't matter, you can put the white to the black, or you can put the white to the red, or you can put the black to the black, or the black to the red. It won't matter as long as it's getting 240, 220, 240. And we're good, looking good. So you just wire that up. Put that cap back right there, and your power's hooked up. And then we got to go to our water. We got to get our water back up. Where this is opposite of the other one. See, it says cold. This one says hot. The other one was turned around the other way because this was facing that way. So now we got to do a little crossing. Keep the hot on the left and cold on the right. Payday's on Friday. Yep, shit runs downhill. Boss is a bastard. That's it.